Hey dudes, what's up? It is Snow Queen, and today we are doing a deathmatch again with Snow Queen. Snow Queen? Fuck, White Wolf.
You've just said your name.
I said my name twice. That's special.
Oh my god, identity thief. Someone stole your identity. It wasn't
Shut up,
me.
Michael.
No. Wait. Don't go. Wait, I had an itch and I wasn't even moving. Go away. No! Don't shoot me! I don't want to die!
Say hi to the people.
Hello. You might think, oh, she's with here again. Oh, that's because no one really records that we know.
Yeah. Although we could try and get him, the guy that likes her to play, but I don't think he will. And I don't think she'd like it that much as well. I think she'd kill me.
Ew.
Ha ha ha!
I see the hand. What was that? Ah,
Ha!
wonder. I win.
Do an evil
Your
laugh.
name may be Snow Queen, but I am a white tank, and the white snow gives me encouragement. Yay!
Damn it! Are you kidding?
I said the wrong word, but I still got you anyway.
You
Gonna say
witch!
camouflage for some reason. Encouragement game. I think okay.
Witch.
I know I'm a witch.
Oh crap! I hit space by accident. I want the diamonds.
I'm the wolf witch. Ooh,
Ooh, that's a good name actually.
wolf witch. Sounds weird, but okay. But I'd rather stick with white wolf since that is my actual name. Not my actual name.
Go
That'd be kind of
away.
weird.
One of my
Hi,
friends.
name is White Wolf.
Oh my god, you should totally change your name to White Witch, and then you should totally say on your channel, join the Witch Coven.
Oh! I can't control this properly, it's annoying me. No, don't!
I missed!
Ah, I knew I
How did you self-destruct?
Because if you shoot down close, you kill yourself.
Oh, okay.
That's why I was telling you to go away. Because we both would have self-destructed.
Come find me.
What was that? Come find me.
Where are you
God, that's
going?
creepy. I don't know.
I'm not down there. I can see you, but I'm not down there.
Down there?
I'm not down there.
Oh my god.
You're kind of gonna kill me straight away though, as soon as you come, because I've kind of only got like a little bit of life left. So if you get first shot in, then you'll be fine.
Oh! I thought you were behind there and then the thing blew up and I was like, oh, maybe not. Hello, Heather.
Hello, my
Hello.
baby. Hi.
I can take the hint.
Ha!
I was gonna say hit, but then I went, no, that's a horrible joke.
That just sounds
Oh.
wrong.
That's horrible.
Let's not make any inappropriate jokes now, Megan.
I'm not making inappropriate jokes.
Let's not make any at all.
I can be dirty-minded, but I'm not going to be on this. Well, I'm not going to say anything horrible anyway.
Where are you?
Hi, Heather. I see you over there.
Where are you? Are you where I was?
Nope. But
Are
I'm
you over
watching
there?
you go along the wall.
Are you over there? Seriously, why are you over there?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I know you are.
Oh god, it's windy outside.
And it's so cold. The weather
No, all the
outside
fences
is
fell down in the front and the back.
frightful.
Oh god. Oh, how did I miss that? What? I like jump and then I hit the thing too slow and...
How did you just use health? No, seriously, how do you use the health that's on that like we have? Because I don't know how to use it.
It tells you actually on it. Look at the number.
Yeah,
What
and the
does it
number
say at the top?
I don't know.
Basically, you hit the number. And then
Seriously?
it comes. Yes. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I don't know what 5 is. Oh, 5's mine, I think.
Yeah, 5 is mine. 4 is the nitro. 3 is the
I know
toxic.
speed.
2 is
attack. Attack.
2 is
Defense.
yeah, and then 1 is.
Oh.
Where are you?
Ooh.
I can hear you.
Watching.
I can hear you. You're by me. You are by me.
Because I haven't even got the sounds on. Hang on, let me just put a bit of sound on.
Okay.
What makes it? How would you hear actually background sound on there?
Mine don't automatically. No, I can't get through the space. Damn it.
I don't think like that. Let's see.
I can't get through that tight space.
Ah, there we go.
Tight spaces don't agree with me. No, I didn't mean that in the wrong way. If
no one's here to disagree or agree, and oh, I almost fell.
Are you up on the ramparts or are you just like on the bottom?
I was up there and I'm at the bottom because there was loads of speed and defense dropping down from the sky. There you are, Heather.
Don't shoot me.
Can't because I haven't got you in sight. You've gone too far away.
No. You don't know where the hell you are. Oh, you're over there. Oh yeah.
How the hell did you see me? I can only see a bit of you.
Because you're white on, and you had a beigey background thing.
Oh God, I pooped myself.
You'd be crapping actual war.
Oh God, when you shoot, it goes dead loud, and I jumped out my seat.
Haha, yes.
Oh my God, like down here.
Oh, okay. I've just figured out how I've just used one of my things. I kind of like. You were right, by the way. I have to hit the numbers and then it comes on. Oh, go away! People are messaging me again, and my phone just vibrated.
They know.
They do. They don't.
It's for like everyone whoever records.
Where are you?
Anyone whoever records. Does anyone get like messages while they're recording?
You should have hit me.
That noise is terrifying. I was brand new. Oh my God, are you serious?
Haha! I know where you are now. Hello.
Hello.
I missed, damn it.
It's extra attack.
Oh, dude.
What? Picked her up.
Oh, that just
I'm crap at doing impressions.
Oh, you kidding me? We have a timer for how much till we can use the things again.
Yep.
Ugh.
Aha. I'm blended in perfectly.
Yeah, alright. Let's see how well that works out for you, shall we?
I have the perfect disguise.
You're a white tank! It's not that hard, it's not gonna be that hard to find you. I say
Don't
this
worry.
and I can't find you.
Yes, it works!
Can you see me at all?
I seen you just then, but... Oh, there you are.
Maggie!
I'm a tree!
You missed.
I know I did.
I missed.
Oh, what the hell? You've got defense, you big cheat!
Ha
What the hell? How am I not doing anything? Did I at least hit you?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, come on.
I thankfully though had some more health that I could use. Dude! What?
It's revenge for killing me.
Hey, you've killed me 3 times. You've killed me like 4 times.
I've killed you 4 times. Ha ha ha. Where are you, Heather? Come out from the house.
No.
Oh, there you are. What the hell are you just sitting there?
Yeah, I am. Where are you? No, you're there. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, looks like weird when you go like close to your tank. Fire! Oh, come on, Heather, really?
The what? You've got barrier as well!
Ah, why am I missing? I have got a crap shot. What?
I got you! Yes!
I had like 1 HP.
I have 0 HP that I can use, like, myself now. I'm like down to so much little health. If you shoot me once, you will kill me.
Good.
But I want to find some health before you do.
Come here, come here, come here. Where are you? Where have you gone? Where have you gone?
Come find me.
I have speed, so I'm just like zooming around every inch of the map.
Well, you haven't been near me yet.
Oh.
I can hear you though.
Why do I feel like you're down there?
No,
there you go.
I can see you.
I'm stuck. I'm not, I'm fine. We've got 2 minutes. Ah! No!
Hi. Damn it.
Finally! Take that, you stupid cunt. Oh, my speed's gone. I even know it knows Cheetah Wolf. Ah!
I spawned behind you.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh! No, I'm not gonna get it, can't bother.
Hey, go on. Oh, my light in my room's starting to flicker. Where are you, Maggie?
Oh, hello, hello.
Hi.
Can you see me?
I can't. I see your name.
Oh, my name. What the hell?
Your name's in green, dude.
What? Oh. What the hell happened?
Damn it! How did I miss it? Oh,
Shoot! Shit! What?
awesome.
What the hell?
I have no idea. We have 1 minute. How many kills do you have, by the way?
5 still.
Damn it, dude! You've got 1 more than me.
Yay! Now die. Stop taking health. I mean, defense.
No! Yes! I have 5 now.
Oh, come on. I couldn't click at a time.
'Cause I am the best that ever was to beat all the rest.
Bring it on.
Yeah, by the way,
Bring it
dudes,
on.
if none of you have ever noticed, we kind of like Pokemon a lot.
Bring it on.
Damn it, dude!
I just shut up and shut.
What the hell?
Statistics.
Oh, you've won. 10 seconds.
Yay! White Wolf wins Deathmatch 2.
Damn it!
Can't remember who won though.
I won the first one.
We both died 7 times though.
Yeah, but you destroyed me 6.
Oh god, oh, it's a random match. Okay.
I'm gonna end my video now, dudes. This has been Snow Queen with White Wolf.
Yay.
And she has won the second death match. There will be a third that we will do to see who ultimately wins.
Oh no, you ruined my surprise, I was gonna kill you.
Hi!
Oh.
Ah! No!
No.
Hey, cool. I got you. Okay, so I shall see you dudes in the next one. Bye, dudes. Do you say bye, Megan?
Yeah, I'm gonna do my outro, do I?
Okay.